Jamaica Life Abroad TV. Them there. Big up the general in car. You don't know. Them there go on with the things.
Rain again, people. Maintenance, man, them have to cover up, you know.
Is it clean now? Is alright?
You go so.
Shut up, you
Change the bands, people. Change the bands. Change the bands. Change the bands. Change the bands. Jamaican Life Abroad TV out. Change the bands. Change the bands. Gemini, they are going hard. They are going hard. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Yeah.
Leave me alone, please. What am I in the box?
Yeah, them in the bottom.
No.
No, man, in a lower box, man, at the bottom.
Bottom round here.
Yeah, in the lower box, man.
And I be a man there, I be a girl, Stop like a blood club or stop like.
That's a picture. What that a picture? You have to think up and love all of me. No, think of the first thing. One at a picture. Jamaica life abroad.
Is it my turn to wish you luck? I said to dream you when I'm asleep. Is it my turn to visualize my world?
Remember we are playing songs from record days, from vinyl.
Is it my turn to hold you by your hand?
What's some more this in that big song?
Or is it my turn to
Borrow your laptop, man.
watch you walk out my life? If I could give away this love, if I could sacrifice forever, if I could take the fire
I'm gonna walk up and life I'm gonna do about it.
Because of you, never said and good. You came my way, now my life is so easy. And I love you so, how much you have to know.
When you play the song now, you be smart. Boom, girl. When a girl I look at her friend, I look at her mother. You have some girl look like a London club. You have some girl that must give girl on the curve. Big girl who you look good at, you see you good when you play the song. You understand? So, in general, Tony Crystal, me and my partner play some, he might play some song and me and make some talk. You know, how many people know so we're there. You understand? I will come over just for the people that know so you want to go on now. You need all the bookings, you ring the general, and I pass you and play some song. Remember me not come and broke you know. You alright? Good. That is it. You understand? But the man never straight, no one knows so you never go. No girl never sing it for your mouth. Push up your gun and sing that song. Put up your gun and sing that song. Yes, someone is rich. Holy
Let me tell you why this a billion.
no, no, hold on, no crystal. When you play the good song, you have to make the edge of them. See? Because of me, say thunder roll and broke my neck. No boy can suck my neck. Me make that for blind because no boy now wind me. This a style, this a pattern. No boy to me is and no man to me bottom. As a matter of fact, no man to know where any boy we are batty boy. Go ahead.
Let me tell you why this a big yard. Love of your body.
How long did you play on? Let a burden on me jam.
Straight to job. Party from the bar. Party when I done you down.
And the country one there.
Give me all of it.
Mister, when you ready, Mr. Africa. Please stop.
Some party.
You ready now? Ready now? You know you see how well I'm now going to I'm gonna come to the bar.
Every man is straight and clean, but I know you not turn like a me, but I know you looking at the street, but I know turn up the scheme, but I know things, but I know you know like when me sing something wrong.
The man who you gonna stick for fish. Put off your guard.
Informer, so when me never say, so when me never say, the police as a little youth, I got through the fire, and from them time they till now, me no run from trouble. Adapt me now. Adapt me now.
When you come out of I read to me.
Me no take intimidation. From me tell you could want me no fear no pain. Me tell you papa this station. Come on, come on, come on.
Big up all of the singing. It's nice for the gathering, people. You're not going to the secret place of the Most High. Shall abide in the shadow of the Almighty. I supply my cause, soldier, with them that strive with me. Fight against those who fight against me. Here and now, we don't come in our place for good or bad man, brother them. We just come to just have a good time. See? All the vibes feel nice. Yeah. Someone knows the food that's in our place. See? Don't the crystal, big up yourself, everything is good. You know what I mean? You know the code. 26. No a pool party right there, so. You know what I mean? So who of them flag can bring the flag come car? I don't know the code. I'm big up the people in dance car, you know them there, they must support. You know what I mean? Zin, that's the code. Father Factor, big up yourself in the place, don't come big up yourself, you know what I mean? To the crystal, a lot of people never know I'm familiar with everybody as yet. But as time goes by, we will get there. You understand? So we don't further ado. You know what next week today? See? One Father hype in the place, you know the code. Lock on load. See?
Jamaica Life Abroad.
Jamaica Life Abroad TV. Them there. Big up the general in car. You don't know. Them there go on with them thing. See? So you know the code. You understand? Yeah. See? Good. I remember the bar still active here. The bar is still active, so I don't know the code. Not the bar, don't be the scooping on. No dry throat reasoning. See, our summertime, so you know the seasoning. No further ado, Father I for one.
Come on! Hype of all hype! You will show the hype! Hype of all hype! Father! Listen!
Friday Vice represent Father. Patriot alive, Patriot alive, Rich alive, Father!
Yo. I'm small so. You know we're tired enough get on the road straight, you understand me, the street like white line. Fuck John! Pick up yourself, you know. Them say, oh God bless nobody can curse, you understand me. Big up to you people in my checking, big up to you all of Aston, you understand. Like how you sound a chap. See in a real life, Baba big up there yourself. First time I play for the machine. So you know we're going to do the that different, you understand me? But here I understand with them. When we touch somebody here. So get down with you. Now what different lesson there now? Ataflex goal party and something that slap well. Drop the touchdown. I'm going to lock the ball now. Alright then. You don't think you become yourself in your kitchen slap well. What's that talking now? As I get a product, any matter when I'm back away, I never left for Spanish Town. Pick up all the Spanish Town, Youngstown. Pick up all who knows you're born to be a get a product. Pick up the English shoot them, the English call them. But right now, all who product Jamaica. I'm going to lock them around now. What brought Jamaica them there? You have to look out there now. All who knows the road. All who knows the road. Lord, love this. flaws and no flaws and blood clot Jamaica. All look at Mokaya, push up your hand there. Push up your hand there. Watch there. Alright, listen. You know different after turn on now. I want to do that different.
Them try to put it so we can't follow. But when we are not, them nice like Jamaica.
Where's the Jamaica Yard and Broad TV? Jamaica Life and Broad and Broad Junglist. Yo, Nicky. Should slap on Nicky. Where's Broad Jamaica and them there?
TV out. Ladies, them looking nice. No doubt about it. Yeah.
Ladies, come and talk to me.
Look out for woman for Bossy. November. Woman for Bossy coming soon. Them for know. Sound cut. System breaking down. You know where I'm going out there now? Where the kitchen still run.
Yeah, kitchen. You want some jerk food? Yeah.
Ah, there you want. Kitchen still run. Outside. Kirk, the man at the moment.